Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Saturday, January 11th, and it's like 60 degrees out today. Might break some records for I don't know, I haven't checked. We might have broken the record for the highest low for this time of year. I don't know if we hit that record. It was, I think, 53 degrees in Boston. So I did want to come out and take a look at the bees, but we've got, I don't know, 20, 30 mile an hour gusts. And I think that if I was harvesting honey today, all I would have to do is hold the frame up to get the bees off. But they're out doing a cleansing flight, so I was a little worried. You might think that warm temperatures are a good idea, but we went from, I think, 23 degrees. Didn't get as cold as I think they thought it was going to get. It was like 23 degrees the other day, and now we're up to, like I said, 60 degrees, but it's really windy and gusty. I was going to do an oxalic acid treatment maybe tomorrow. I came across a video where someone had one of those pan type of oxalic acid heaters like I have, but what they did is they used some foil and like a tube to shape a foil tube to be able to just use that without having to stick it into the hive. But the bees are out. At least I have bees, and I can see they're doing their cleansing flights. So that's a good thing. But I don't want to even open up the hive. It's like I said, they get some pretty good gusts. I put a piece of cotton ball, taped it over the built-in microphone on this camera. Hopefully it comes a big gust right now. Hopefully that cut down on the wind noise. So I was wondering if these warm temperatures get the bees to migrate to other frames that they maybe weren't clustered on, if they would change their position of the cluster. After sort of just a random thought, I was thinking the other day that, well, maybe the reason that they're clustered on the right-hand side is because it's opposite the opening. I was thinking that it gets the morning sun earlier, or the first thing in the morning on the right. But it could be that they're just getting away from that entrance that's on the left. I just moved that block of wood. I tried to reduce it a little bit more, but now I just opened it up. I've got the mouse guard on there. So yeah, this is Saturday, January 11th. Just a quick video documenting that I have bees. As you can see, there's no snow, and it's 60 degrees, so pretty mild winter. Although I was looking at here comes another gust. The weather forecast said that next month, or next week, the jet stream is going to dip down again and might be in a position where storms start coming up the coast. So you never know here in New England. Might be completely different next week with snow on the ground. As of today, it's warm, unseasonably warm, and really windy out. Too windy to go into the hive, and probably too windy to really do an effective oxalic acid treatment. Here comes a really good gust. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.